Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product that's making waves in the world of kitchen organization. If you're tired of the chaos in your fridge and freezer, then you're in for a treat. We're talking about the Sorbus Fridge Bins and Freezer Bins Refrigerator Organizer. The ultimate solution for keeping your refrigerator, freezer, and pantry in tip-top shape. Let's dive right in. The Sorbus Fridge Bins and Freezer Bins Refrigerator Organizer is a game-changer when it comes to fridge organization. With this product, you can say goodbye to messy shelves and the endless search for that elusive jar of pickles. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes these organizers stand out from the crowd. These organizers are ideally sized to fit fruits, vegetables, snacks, condiments, and more. They come in a set of 6, including 2 wide drawers, 2 narrow drawers, a can dispenser drawer, and an egg drawer that can hold up to 14 eggs. The clear design of these bins allows you to see exactly what you have inside, making meal preparation a breeze. No more rummaging around to find that last yogurt cup. With ample space for various food items, these organizers help keep your fridge looking coordinated and neat. Plus, the sturdy egg lid allows for stacking multiple bins, creating even more space. You can trust the quality of these organizers. They are completely BPA-free and easy to clean by hand with mild detergent and water. Interested in getting your hands on these Sorbus Fridge Bins and Freezer Bins? They are available in different pack sizes to suit your needs, with prices starting at just $33.99. You can find the links in the description below. In conclusion, the Sorbus Fridge Bins and Freezer Bins Refrigerator Organizer is a must-have for anyone looking to bring order and efficiency to their kitchen. With its thoughtful design, durability, and positive reviews from satisfied customers, it's undoubtedly one of the best fridge organization solutions on the market. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. If you've used these organizers before, share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Product Critique.